Ellen, I am making a video. It's easier that way. Let's see. Not getting embedded though, that takes too long. So I like your leave behind ideas. I would have liked to see some sort of picture. So if you got this album idea somewhere, you could have put in a picture, just make it easier on the viewer, who is me. Um, this is the very least you could do, a business card. We're going to do that in this class, and you can easily slap on a QR code on there. So I wouldn't do this as a leave behind, because to tell you the truth, it's going right in the trash. Why would they keep that around, right? You would love it. You would have a lot of them in your house, but the stranger that you're meeting for the first time has no reason to keep it. True, you could do that. I'm interested in the box a lot. I don't think you should give away a bunch of stuff because you're giving away stuff to somebody who might not call you the next day, or they might, I don't know. Small decorative box, flash drive, okay. That's nice. So the gift to them would be the flash drive or the SD card. They could keep that. That's a good idea, although big companies are kind of paranoid about accepting USB drives from people these days. So you want to consider that. This is also an interesting idea. Basically, all your ideas are good ones, but really think about why the recipient would keep it. Like the only people that care about your work at this point are friends and family. And this is not your audience. Your audience is a stranger who you want a job from. So give them something they want to keep. All right? That's really all I had to say.